Okay, so today I will be installing the switch for our GMC Envoy. It's an '06, and actually I'll just take this out. I don't know why they have to make it so fucking durable. My God, maybe it's easier just to open it here. If we try, maybe we'll actually need like a screwdriver. Nope, I got it. Good. So yeah, that's the new switch. Sweet. Actually we'll just put this back in the bag, just so I don't mess around. Actually, I don't know how I would mess them up, because like they're both the same, except that this one doesn't have the switch in it. But we'll need some tools. We need one of these, a plier. I don't know, but it's a good plier. We'll probably need a plus. Yeah, a little plus. Let's see what we have. I think it's actually this one. And just in case, I'll grab the light. Oh man, this is not ideal to work with. Anyway, I don't know if there's any good way I could do this. It won't even fit on the fucking steering wheel. Let's just turn it like that. Oh yeah, that's almost a good angle. Maybe this one. This one's a bit bigger, I think. If we take these into comparison. Yeah, this one should be able to get in there better. Hopefully, I think the other one was just a bit too small, so whenever you turn it, yeah. Let's try this one. See if that's the reason. Oh yeah, look at it. Now, here's the fun part. Getting this carpet out. And of course, this shit is not fun either. And that's why I have a good tip for you. Don't screw these hard, okay? These are really difficult to get out. So just don't do anything to them. Don't even look at them. Just give them a little bit of so they're in there, but don't start just getting them in hardcore, because in the end it's gonna bite you. It's honestly just that bad getting these screws out. Maybe because, okay, I'm gonna go on the other side, and you have barely any grip. Just throw that up there. There, let's give it little tugs. Then it slowly comes out. Maybe, just give it a little other tug. About here. Pops there. There. As you can see, this thing just comes out. So all I did, I just pushed this and just kind of, tugged it over a bit. God damn it. It's so tough to have the camera on and just remembering. So now, here's what I'm gonna do. For the new switch, as you can see, this is the old one. You can see that's probably how broken it is. So yeah, it broke. Now I think I'm just gonna put the new thing. I'm just gonna put it to auto, because that way, I think the vehicle will just think automatically. So there, it's an auto. We'll put this piece back in. I think it's just gonna be easier just to kind of put it through here. Okay, I kind of just want to see what I may be doing. Perfect. So yeah, I think it just came in. There, that's on tight. Ow. Keep hitting the thing on something. Yeah, it's in. Good. God damn it. Are they on something? Yep. Looks like it's a job done. That depends, though. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that's because of the doors. Well, I guess it has to be accessories. Okay, it's working. Perfect. Now, what you want to do is just turn it a few times. Just be sure it's in there and you're not going to lose the screw because it falls down. And don't worry, I've had this happen probably a few times. No, probably not. I can't even remember anymore. Okay, it still lines up. Yeah. It's just always hard doing it with, like, one hand's on the... I think I'm actually going to go on the other side, so maybe if I just went ahead and screwed this on. Now, as I was saying earlier, just a little bit. Don't need to go all Shanghai noon, like, as long as it's kind of closed.